Are you feeling sad because you don't have a date this Valentine's Day? Are you feeling lonely because you've been looking for someone and still haven't found that special someone? Well, wait till you watch this episode because it's Valentine's Day and I'm here to share love and spread love and receive love. Welcome to my channel, everyone. My name is Jackie D and I'm here to help girls and women stay empowered and feel good about themselves, especially now because it's Valentine's Day. And you see all of those people post photos of their boyfriends, their girlfriends, couple photos, the best person in my life, my person, and here you are watching, scrolling, seeing all the love notes, seeing all the relationships come alive, and you have no one. Stop right there. You have someone. And I tell you, that someone is more than enough to make you happy because that someone is you. So this video is really going to be very spontaneous because I just feel so much love on this day, and I want you to know that you don't have to find someone to love you for you to validate that you are lovable. There's this beautiful author and poet, Najwa Zebian, and I have her book, Welcome Home. And she talks about us building our home in our hearts, not building our home in someone else's heart, in someone else. Because when they leave, when they're gone, when they step away, then our home goes with them, right? And that totally makes sense. Even if you have someone in your life, you want to still build your home within here because you want to overflow with love. You want to be capable of loving someone because you have love within. You gotta love yourself because how can you even give of something that you don't have? For us to be able to love someone, we gotta be able to acknowledge ourselves, acknowledge our limitations, our flaws, be happy with who we are because then we are confident. We wanna be full of hope and faith and positivity that we have so much to share, and so we are ready to fall into a relationship. So don't worry if you don't have a boyfriend or a girlfriend, because that doesn't mean you're not lovable. You are probably just not ready to take someone into your life to share that love. At this very moment, this love is just growing, and this love is just for yourself. Right? Love is not just between two people. Love is something you feel for someone who does not even know you. It is a state of being so happy with who you are that you're willing to take someone into your life, into your private circle. So love is enduring. Love is patient and kind, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health. You want to spend your lives together. So if you're willing to spend your life with someone else, then be willing to spend your life with yourself because you wake up to see yourself. You sleep and you see yourself last. You wake up, you talk to yourself. Your mind tells you, hey, wake up. Feel worthy, feel important, feel valuable because you are precious. If you like this channel, don't forget to hit like, punch the like button, and share and comment. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, ding, and then that way you get notified if I have a video coming up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I have a blog, sign up, jackied.com. I have lots of freebies there. I have beautiful articles that I hope will inspire you to stay happy and stay empowered. So today I send you all my love. Be happy, be full of light, be full of hope. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye for now.